Hello, here's another AQA A-level multi-choice question on the particles topic. If you want to try to answer this question yourself, pause the video now. If you got the answer right, well done. Okay, so the proton number of uranium is 92 and the proton number of radon is 88. So we normally put, otherwise known as the atomic number, and that's normally put on the bottom there. Which series of decays turns a uranium nucleus into a radon nucleus? And we can see we've got alpha or beta decays. Well, every time an alpha decay occurs, 2 protons and 2 neutrons leave the nucleus, so that will reduce the proton number by 2. And every time beta minus decay occurs, a neutron turns into a proton, and that will increase the proton number by 1. So all we need to do is just see which of these number of alpha and beta decays will give us a change of -4 from 92 to 98. So let's have a look at A to start with. We can see the first alpha will reduce the number by 2. Then the beta decay will increase it by 1, then the next beta by 1, the next alpha by -2 and -2. Put all those into your calculator and you'll discover that you get -4, which is the answer A. If this, you can go through the rest of them, you can prove that they won't give you the right answer. You can do that yourself in your own time. If you found this useful, click on that subscribe button please, share with other people and hit the like button. Thank you very much.